Hello, this is Sheida Sarafan. It is my pleasure to present our research today at COM 2021 conference. I'm research officer at National Research Council Canada, and my field of research is focused on various additive manufacturing technologies. The current presentation is a collaborative research with Matsuura USA about hybrid additive subtractive manufacturing of maraging steels. I would like to acknowledge co-authors Dr. Wanjara, Dr. Qalipur, Dr. Bernier, Dr. Maulavi Zarandi, and from National Research Council Canada, and Mr. Josh Suits from Matsuura USA, who supported this research. Thank you very much for your presence.